Rightio, welcome back for section 2, part 2 of getting this bread done. So I did the extra 10 minutes cooking, and as I said, now I'm going to pull it out of the bread machine, which is out of shot, and I'll bring it across. Alright, here we go. So we're going to put it on a wire rack, of course, and with this model there's a key underneath. There we go. Wow, put that away. So inside there's a key. As I said, I have to get it out with a spoon. Just going to use a spoon to get it out. Bit of an operation. Very hot. Alright guys, look at that. You can see inside there a little bit because I had to get that out, but look at that. Fantastic, eh? So leave that to cool down. I'm going to put it on its side like that. That way you've got more airflow. And there you go. We'll let that rest and cut it up. And that's a nice light rye bread recipe. Hope that's helped you. And see you in the next one. Teach us out. God bless.